Good morning students, how are you? So today we will revise chapter number 5. We have already revised this chapter, but today we will revise again this chapter through the question answers. So let's discuss with the first question. That the first question is, name the different forms of water. So as we have already studied in the chapter that there are the three forms of water: solid, liquid and gas. Solid is the frozen form of water. Liquid, at the normal temperature, water remains in liquid form. And when water is heated, it changes into it changes into vapor, that is steam. So in this way, these are the three forms of water. Solid, liquid and gas. After that, the next question, that list any three uses of water. So there are so many uses of water. That water is used in so many household activities like drinking, bathing, cooking, washing clothes, cleaning utensils. Water is used by plants and animals and birds. Plants need water to make their food, and birds and animals need water for drinking and bathing. Water is used in factories and industries to refine the products. Water is used in hydroelectricity plants. In hydroelectric plants, water is used to generate electricity. After that, the next, that water is used in recreational purposes, and water is used as a means of transport. After that, water is very useful for the marine life. So these are the important points. So yes, let's write the first one, that plants need water. Plants need water to make their food. Second point is, water is used in drinking, bathing, cooking. Water is used in drinking, cooking. Water is used in drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes. And the third point, you can write anything, that it is used in factories, or it is used in hydroelectric plants, or water is used in recreational purposes. So we will write here, water is used in factories. So these are the different ways by which we can use water and in which we are using water. Now question number 3, that what happens when water is heated. Water is heated. So you all know that what happens when water is heated. When water is heated, it changes into water vapor. When water is heated, it changes into vapor. So when water is heated, it changes into vapor. After that, the next question that we have is the How do clothes become dry? How do wet clothes? How do wet clothes become dry? Yes, beta. So you all know that how do wet clothes become dry, because we have already discussed in the chapter that the water present in the clothes, that is evaporated by the heat of the sun. When we put the wet clothes outside in sunlight, so the water present in the clothes, it evaporate. So the answer is wet clothes become dry. Wet clothes become dry because water present in clothes evaporate by heat of sun. By heat of sun. Yes, so the wet clothes become dry because the water present in the clothes that evaporate by the heat of the sun. Yes, now write down the next question number 5, that write any 4 ways. Write any 4 ways in which we can save water. Save water. In which we can save water. So what we will write the first point in which we can save water, that turn off the taps while brushing the teeth. Turn off taps while brushing teeth. Yes, if we are brushing our teeth, so at that time we should fill a bucket or fill a mug, but we should not leave the taps open. Second, that don't use a hose pipe for washing a car. For wash car. If we are cleaning our vehicles, so in that also we should use a bucket or a mug. We should not make use of hose pipe because it wastes water. After that, the third point, use leftover water. Use leftover water in plants. In plants. use leftover water in plants. Now, which is this leftover water? This is the leftover water of a glass. If we are drinking a water that is in the glass, if we are drinking water from the water bottle, and if there is the leftover water in glass or in water bottle, so we should not throw that water here and there. We should water that water in our plants or in our garden. Now, next, number 4. Use a bucket for bath. Use a bucket for bath. Yes. If you are bathing or if you are washing clothes, so in that you should first fill a you should first fill a bucket, and then you should bath or you should wash clothes. Hello students, so these are the question answers that we have done. So in this chapter, what we have studied about water we drink. Now let's revise a complete summary of this chapter. That in this chapter we have studied about the water, that is the essential element that we need for survival on this earth. So the 2/3 part of our earth is covered with water, and in that only less than 1% is fit for drinking, and this is the underground water that we are using in drinking. This water is tasteless, odorless, and has no smell. Now the uses of water, that there are so many uses of water. In our daily life we are using water in different activities. So which are that activities? That we are using water in cooking, washing clothes, cleaning utensils, bathing, or cleaning our vehicles. Plants, animals, and birds also need water. Water is used in factories and industries to clean or to refine the products that are made there. Water is used in hydroelectric plants, that those plants which are hydroelectric plants, they are using water to produce electricity. You know what is the meaning of hydroelectricity? Hydroelectricity means electricity that is generated by the power of water. So hydroelectric plants also using water to produce electricity. After that, water is used in recreational purposes. I have told you that what is the meaning of recreational activities. Recreational activities are those activities which are done by people to fresh their body or to fresh their mind, like swimming, rafting, boating. So what are these? These are the recreational activities. Water is used as a means of transport. People are still using boat, ship, steamers for moving one place to another place. Or in some parts, especially in those parts or those cities and towns which lie near the bank of the river. So in that, water transport is the main transport. So people using water transport from moving one place to another place. Water is used for marine life. Now what is the meaning of marine? Marine word is related to the plants and animals or reptiles which live inside the water. So they also need water for their survival. So these are the uses of water. After that, the 3 forms of water, that the water exists on our earth in 3 forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid is the frozen form of water. Liquid, at the normal temperature, water remains in liquid form. And after that, vapor, that when water is heated, it changes into vapor. So these are the 3 forms of water. After that, the process of water cycle, that what is the process of water cycle? We have studied that the water present in the water bodies, the water present in the seas, rivers, lakes, ocean, that water is evaporated by the heat of the sun and it goes high in the sky, and high in the sky the evaporate or the water vapor, it cools down and it changes into the drops of water, droplets of water. After that the drops of water combine together and forms cloud, and when these clouds become too heavy with the presence of water, they fall on the ground as a rain, and this rainwater is collected in again all the water bodies, rivers, lakes, ponds, and underground, sinks underground. So this process is keep repeating on, and this process is known as water cycle. After that, how we can save water. We all know that in our country there is a shortage of drinking water. There are still many areas like the backward areas, remote areas in villages that people have to walk miles to get the fresh water or drinking water. So that shortage of water is known as drought. So for that we should make proper use of water. That we should fill a bucket while bathing. We should not use a shower. After that, turn off the taps while brushing. Put the leftover water of your glass or of your water bottle in plants or in trees or in your garden. After that, repair your or check your leakage taps or your water pipes, because it reduces the quality of water also, and then repair it soon as possible. So these are the different ways by which we can save water, and it is the responsibility of all the human beings that water is the first priority by which we cannot survive. So we should make proper use of water, so that in those areas where the shortage of water, it can also available to them also.